In this video, you'll learn how to delete your Perplexity account. This process will ensure that your account and all associated data are permanently removed from the platform. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will help in loading the application quickly. Once the application is open, look for the user interface that prominently displays various features. Next, navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen where you will find the profile icon. Click on this icon to access your personal account settings. After clicking, the profile menu will expand, showing additional options related to your account. After that, select all settings from the options available in the profile menu. This will take you to a new screen where various settings related to your account are organized into sections. Look for the account section, which is typically listed among other settings. Once you are in the account section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Delete Account. This option is usually located towards the bottom of the page. Clicking on Delete Account will prompt a confirmation dialog to appear on your screen. Click on Delete Account in the confirmation dialog. Be aware that this action is irreversible. You will be prompted to confirm your decision to delete your account. After confirming your account, and all associated data will be permanently deleted, which means you will lose access to any saved information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.